In 3D shape, next shape we have cuboid. Next shape is cuboid. Okay, this one is cuboid. Okay, so let's count how many faces we have. Okay, I can put here, put like this also, like this and like this. Okay, so how many faces we have? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 first faces we have, and 6 and 7. Sorry, 5 and 6. Okay, so 6 faces we have in cuboid. And how many edges? Where two faces meet, that called, or that point called edge. Okay, so this face and this face are meeting here, so this one is edge. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. That means 12 edges we have in cuboid. And how many corners we have in cuboid? Okay, so let's count. Corner or vertices means where two edges meet, that called corner or vertices. This is edge of this and this is also edge. Okay, both are meeting here. Okay, so this one is corner. This one is corner or vertices. So how many corners we have in cuboid? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, next 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so corners we have 8 corners in cuboid. Next shape we have cone. Example of cone is birthday cake, ice cream cone. These are example of cone. Okay, we can see in our daily life these examples. So this shape is called cone. Okay, now faces. Okay, how many faces in cone we have? Let's see. How can we put this one? Like this. So this one is face and we can put this one is like this. But this is rolling. That means this is curve face. This one is curve face and this one is flat face, because this is not moving. So this one is flat face and this one is curve face. That means we have two faces in corner. Okay, and one is plain or flat, second is curve. One curve face and one flat face. That means two faces we have in cone. Okay, next is edge. Edge means where two faces meet, that called edge. So this one is flat face and this one is curve face. Both are meeting here. So this one is edge. That means we have only one edge. Okay, and corners, that means vertices we also call this one. Okay, so there where two edges meet, that called corner. This one is called corner because this one is edge and okay, edge meet. This one is edge, all is edge and this is meeting at this point. So we call this one is corner. So we have one corner in cone. Okay, we call this one is apex also. In only cone. Apex we also call this one. Okay, next shape is cylinder. shape is cylinder. So this one is shape of cylinder. You can see pen is also shape of cylinder. Okay. So how many faces we have in this? Let's count. I can put this cylinder like this. Okay, this one is flat. This one is flat face, and I can put this also from this side. Okay, so we have two flat faces. Okay, two flat faces, but I can put this one is also like this. Okay, so this one is curve because this is moving. So this one is curve face and both are flat faces. That means we have three faces in cylinder. How many faces? Three faces. Three faces. One is curve or two are flat faces. Next is how many A's we have in cylinder? That means A's means where two faces meet, that called A's. Okay. This one is face, curve face, and this one is flat face. Both are meeting here. So this one is A's, and in this side this one is curve face and flat face. Both are meeting here. So this one is A's. How many A's we have in cylinder? 1 and 2. Two A's we have. Where two edges meet, that called corner. And in this shape, that means in cylinder we don't have corners. That means 0 corners we have in cylinder. Next shape is sphere. Next shape is sphere. Okay, so sphere is, this one is sphere. Okay, how many faces we have? We can put this one is only like this. Okay, this one is face and only we have one face, that is curve face. One face we have. Okay, one face we have, and that is also curve. Okay, now we don't have any edges and corners in sphere. Okay, in sphere we don't have any edges and corners, so that means 0 edges and 0 corners in sphere shape we have. Next is triangular pyramid. Triangular pyramid. This one is triangular and this one is cone. Both are different. In cone we have circle shape if we draw this one, and in triangular pyramid we have triangular shape if we will draw this one. Okay, so both are different. Cone and triangular pyramid, both are different. So let's see how many faces we have in this one. So I can put this one like this. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. I can put this one 4 types. So we have 4 faces in triangular pyramid. Next is where 2 faces meet, that called is. That called is. How many edges we have in this? So where 2 faces meet, that called is. This face and this face is meeting here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 edges in triangular pyramid we have. Next, corners where 2 edges meet, that called corner or vertices. Corner or vertices. Okay, so how many corners we have in this shape? This is where 2 edges meet, that called corner. 1 corner we have, 2 corner, 3 and 4. 4 corners or vertices we have in triangular pyramid. So students, this one is our 3D shape chart, cube, cuboid, cone, slender, sphere and triangular pyramid. In all shapes we have faces, edges and corners. Okay. This was the video of 3D shapes. Okay students, bye bye.